Hello guys, today I will show you how to create 20 colorful glitch titles in After Effects really easily with a given project which you can download for free. The link is in the description. So let's get started. So when you open the project you will see 20 titles and it's really easy to use. Just press here on edit comps and you'll see there is a color folder and text folder, and you can change every text here and you can change every color on the title. So for example we choose this one. So this is AP Media, our channel name, and you can change the text here. For example, my text, and then you go to final comps, press title 1, and here there will appear your text. And with colors are also simple. Just press here, choose your title and press on controls and go there. If you don't see this, just go to the window and choose effect controls. So yeah, and here you can change all colors of the text of some effects. So here I will put red one, maybe here green, and you see it's really beautiful and it's really good effect. And you can change how you like. You can put blue one on here and you will see those colors are changing. So you just do everything on every those titles, repeat every step and you will get everything you want. So I think that's it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with others. So see you soon.